Want to give players a double jump in your Roblox game? Here's how to do it in under 90 seconds. Step 1. Go to Starter Player and then Starter Character Scripts and insert a local script. Step 2. Write the script inside. This will allow players to jump once in the air, creating a double jump effect. You can tweak the code for triple jumps or cooldowns too. And congratulations! Now you have a cool double jump effect in your Roblox game. Super, fast, and easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more videos like this and more Roblox videos. We make all sorts of tutorials. See you on the next video.